Welcome back to English Like Jagger. Today, we've got 30 fun and easy grammar questions perfect for beginner English learners. Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and English practice. Ready? Let's begin. I am a student. She reads a book. They live in Paris. He went to the store yesterday. We are happy today. I have a dog and a cat. Do you like pizza? She doesn't play football every day. They were at home last night. Is your brother older than you? We go to the park every Sunday. I drink coffee in the morning. The cat is under the table. She is sleeping at the moment. What do you want for dinner? I can't find my keys. The sun rises in the east. They watch TV every evening. She is a nice person. Do you speak English? I am doing my homework now. He doesn't go to school on Saturdays. They are playing in the garden right now. I want some milk, please. The books are on the shelf. Does your sister have a car? I ate pizza yesterday. He eats an apple every morning. I will go to the gym tomorrow. We are tired after the long day. Great job! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell for more fun quizzes. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next video.